Do metal roofs affect wireless internet? Metal roofs are an attractive and long-lasting option for homes, but many homeowners worry these roofs can interfere with Wi-Fi and even cell phone signals, affecting how they use technology in the home. In reality, the connection between a metal roof and wireless signals is complex. While a metal roof can interfere with a wireless connection, it is unlikely to be the only culprit. In most cases, it is a combination of factors that can impact the quality of your internet browsing and your cell phone reception. After all, you probably get Wi-Fi in many commercial buildings with metal roofs, such as schools, hospitals, clinics, coffee shops, and other businesses that often select metal roofs. If you live in a home with a metal roof, the roofing material may matter less than you think. And if you're considering a metal roof as a replacement for your current roof, you don't have to give up on that idea. It is unlikely to have a noticeable effect on your signal. What's interfering with my signal? There are many things that can impact your Wi-Fi signal, including 1. Surrounding buildings. 2. Metal objects near your router or modem. 3. Localized poor coverage. 4. The service provided by your ISP. 5. The software and devices, including the router, you are using. 6. Construction materials in your home, including brick and metal. How you can boost your wireless signal. You may notice signal problems if there are dead zones in your home, where you can't browse, or if you notice slow internet speeds in some parts of your home. If you can get a great signal just outside your home but experience lags and problems once indoors, you may have an issue. There are a few things you can do. Get a long-range wireless router. Look for one with the longest range possible and pair it with a wireless repeater to further extend the range of your signal. If it's been some time since you last updated your router may be outdated anyway. Choosing a modern one with a wider range can have a big impact. Position your router correctly. Keep your router away from metal objects and keep it off the ground. You may wish to test a few spots in your home to see which one provides the best signal. Get your devices closer. You can get a better signal if your computer is close to the router. Try using your devices in the same room as your router, if possible, and within the sight line of the router. Are you considering a metal roof? If you're considering a roof repair or roof replacement and want to talk about metal roofs, contact RoofClaim to discuss your options or schedule a drone inspection to get a detailed report about what roof services might make sense for your home. Our network of contractor professionals have many years of combined experience and bring their extensive knowledge of roofs to help you get the beautiful, lasting roof your home deserves. Should you really worry about your internet connection when installing a metal roof? If you're concerned about the impact of a metal roof on your wireless internet, you may want to discuss your options with your roofing contractor or a professional network installer. They may be able to recommend strategies to mitigate signal loss, such as installing a Wi-Fi repeater or a mesh network system that can help distribute the signal more evenly throughout your home. Alternatively, you may want to consider relocating your router or installing a new one in a more central location in your home, away from the metal roof. This can help to reduce the impact of any interference caused by the metal roof and improve your Wi-Fi signal strength.